Let's get RACI. That's RACI, Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. This tool will help you properly assess ownership in your next project. Hello and welcome to Rockstar Manager. I'm Dr. K, the management professor, and today's episode is about the RACI model, RACI. RACI stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. This is a popular model used in project management to identify ownership in a large project. Let me break it down for you. If you are classified as responsible for a task, you are the actual doer. It is your responsibility to complete the task. This means you design and execute. You are the person responsible and designated with an R. This person with this R designation is usually at the manager level within an organization. Those designated with an A are accountable for it. Those with this designation are liable for the success or failure of the task within the project and ultimately have the ability to approve or reject the initiative. Only one person can be assigned this designation within a particular project task, and it's usually at the director level. It's important to note that if there is a shared task, meaning more than one person is designated with an R, the degree of responsibility is designated by this person with the A, who is ultimately accountable for task completion. So the A can have a number of R's working together, and the A dictates who owns what. The C stands for consulted. Those with this designation must be consulted prior to any approval or rejection. A two-way communication is imperative between those responsible and those consulted. This person should provide insightful input and provide support for any necessary activities. This person is usually a vice president. Lastly, the I stands for informed. These people may be at any level within the organization, but must be informed of the initiative proactively and prior to rollout. For example, if sales is rolling out a new project, they probably want to let marketing know. For the most part, a one-way communication is expected here. So how do you take what you learned here and operationalize it? Imagine as though you'll populate this in Excel at a high level. In the first column, you'll want to list the major tasks. Some examples include budget changes, legal documents, new product initiatives, and operational schedule changes. Across the top in the first row, you'll list positions. Examples here could include corporate attorneys, the project manager, finance director, VP of marketing, and the COO, the chief operations officer. From there, you populate the cells where the roles and tasks cross with any of the RACI letters. So on the budget changes line, the finance director may have an R, the project manager, the A, the COO, a C, and the VP of marketing, an I. This means the finance director is responsible for designing and implementing the budget changes, or he or she may use his direct reports. The COO should be consulted before any implementation. The VP of marketing only needs to be informed, and the project manager is accountable for any changes within this project. You get the picture. Each intersection within this matrix of tasks and roles will be marked with a letter to identify what level of ownership that role is responsible for. This allows for a greater understanding of the project and ensures everyone and all related expectations are included within the process. If you're interested in learning more about related managerial topics, you can find my book, Rockstar Manager, From Theory to Practice at Barnes & Noble. Thanks for your time, be your best you, and be a rockstar manager.